everything hooked up. It is Halloween night or evening, about to be trick-or-treat time.
And we will terrorize the living until we over this night. Are you with me? Tonight is ours.
Oh, I need to turn on my bat there. We got mod set up. We got some props in front of her. Got the Grim Reaper. We're gonna be giving out candy right here. I'm gonna put some candy in here too. Let some people get scared by that dude. Got the harvester out. Got my trick-or-treaters out. The pumpkin wall, which I think people will want to take pictures with. And then this will be kind of a photo op along this whole side, to be honest. Got the jumping spider right here. I ended up putting a zombie head on my skeleton there. But there it is. Ready for trick-or-treaters. In the front, yeah. They have like a tomb, a grave. Look at the zombie dude's got going back and forth. That's cool. He's neat, yeah.
Where'd he come from?
I don't know. Probably spirit. Sorry, little bug. Oh, they got the jumping spider too. Oh, and look, it says candy. Oh, I like him. He is cool. This one's just right down the road from us, so I wanted to come check this one out, but this is super cool. I'm recording right now. Hey, Brian. Trick or treat, Brian.
the party. Are you? Why, I was just hiding in your closet. The others get it.
All right, I'm gonna say, guys, this was the smallest crowd I have ever had. It is just now 9 o'clock. Everyone already turned off their lights like they normally do. A lot of candy and trick or treat. Lights already off. Street's already dark. All the way down that way. All the way down that way. I've been seeing lights just turn off. Yeah, crazy. Just got all the animatronics put in. So all the ones I had here next to the hearse, got all that stuff put in. Got to get Grim inside. He even stopped turning left and right. You can hear the engine or the motor straining. Don't know what went wrong with that. It's only the second year I've had it. It's kind of frustrating. Maybe Dr. Zombie will fix it. He was right here, so I just put him in. I guess everything else will stay out for now. Don't know when I'll get it put up. I gotta go to work tomorrow. So, all right. Happy Halloween, guys. Hope your Halloween was awesome. I still had a lot of fun. Still was a pretty cool yard this year. The wind was awesome. Or no wind was awesome, basically. Very cool.